planning to buy a truck, car or a bike, this is the right time because government is going to reduce 10% of your GST. To know all the details, please watch the video. Not just vehicle, even FMCG products like butter, sugar and cheese are going to come under the slab of 5%. Isn't that a good news for every middle class who's overpaying? And that's not all. Earlier things like TV, fridge, dishwasher, which everything came under 28% is now directly going to 18% slab. That is a cut of 10% on your home appliances. A very great news from Modi ji for this Diwali. The current GST slabs are 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. But now the council is planning to remove the 12 and 28% entirely. Now let me explain vehicle GST plus cess. On every vehicle, truck, bus, bike you buy, you pay GST plus cess. Cess is an additional charge above your GST. It's not permanent, but government uses it for a specific purpose. For example, government used this cess for compensating other states when GST was introduced. Now, why cess? Usually, cess is applied on luxury and second goods items so that we feel discouraged in buying them, like luxury cars, big SUVs, tobacco and aerated drinks, etc. But the money of cess doesn't go straight to the states like GST. The central government uses it for its special fund. For example, a car. Basically, GST is 28%. Cess is 15% for luxury cars more than 4 meter. Total tax is 43%. If a car costs 10 lakhs, then GST is 2,80,000. Cess is 1,50,000. The final price before RTO and insurance is 13,30,000. That is why luxury cars in India are way more expensive than other countries. We pay more than 40% of tax. But now the council is planning to change it. In the automobile segment, currently bike, cars, truck, everything comes under 28% slab of GST. But now government is planning to shift it to 18%. That is a 10% of reduce. For example, small cars are 29 to 31% tax and luxury cars are 41% tax. Two-wheelers of 350cc is 28% tax with no cess. Above 350cc is 28% tax plus cess, which is 31%. There is no final clarity on this segment of two-wheelers, but the prices are going to reduce by Diwali. Trucks and commercial vehicles are mostly under 28% of GST. Now they are going to be reduced for 18% of GST. This is a very big discussion going about. Lower trucks cost lower logistics and even farmers' transport cost will reduce. Now, how this is going to impact FMCG? They are planning to remove the 12% of slab on all the products like butter, cheese, cream-based bakery items, processed nuts, chocolates, and ice cream. That means all this will shift to 5%. All the middle class household items, everything will be under a big relief. The government had started listening to all our grumbling and finally started taking steps for making our life more easier. The home appliances of AC, larger TV, dishwashers, which was in 28% of slab, which is directly coming to 18%. Now, what will happen for rural development angle? Cheaper trucks means lower transport cost, farmers save money. Cheaper small cars, more affordability and mobility. FMCG price cut, household savings increase. Now you might be thinking why this sudden change and why government has thought about it. There was a viral issue earlier for a bun and jam.
ஒரு பன்னுக்கு ஜிஎஸ்டி கிடையாது, பன்னுக்குள்ள ஒரு க்ரீம் வச்சுட்டா அதுக்கு 18% ஆயிரும். கஸ்டமர் என்ன சொல்றாரு, நீ க்ரீமையும் ஜாமையும் கொண்டா நானே வச்சுக்கிறேங்க. கடை நடத்த முடியல மேடம். அதனால ஒன்றா எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரே மாதிரி ஜாஸ்தி பண்ணிடுங்க.
Bun alone costed 5%, but with cream, it costed 12%. So together, the consumers started getting angry for buying it in different GSTs. Government is discussing with the new revision, all these items may fall under 5%. This shows that the government is finally recognizing the real consumption problem. Even though it is taking time because our country is bigger, but council is moving in the right direction. But the bigger picture is tax collection has improved, but the growth has stopped. On top of this, Trump's tariffs also has reduced our exports. So the government plans to boost the domestic consumption. Our only request is if we get clarity by August or September, October, the Diwali month sales will also go high and people will also start stocking their warehouses so that transport cost also be affordable and have a number of goods to move around. Even income tax were cut earlier, but it affected only 4% of the taxpayer. But this change will affect everyone. But the GST cut will impact everyone. The rural household till industries. Car and bike sales will jump so that trucking demand will also be high. And also trucks will have goods to move around. As trucking demand has fallen for a year, this is the opportunity for truck to revive and come back to the truck. So that every truckers have goods to move with good sales for the warehouse and also for the manufacturer. We are anticipatingly waiting eagerly for the government's response so that everyone can use this opportunity and have a good season. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.